nights on this lonely street. A memory is a bittersweet treat. Asking my heart, hoping you hear me singing through the pain. My voice will call you again. Every shadow on this empty street reminds me of your touch so sweet. I keep talking to the night, but it don't reply. Every tear I hide just passes me by. I sing through the pain, calling your name, lost in the drip drops of slowly rain. Every shadow I chase, they're painting your face. They are just ghosts of a memory, slowly fading away. Midnight whispers in the falling rain, dancing with phantoms I can't explain. Your silhouette in every light, still chasing you through every night. I keep reaching out into the dark, hoping somehow you'll hear my heart. I sing through the pain, calling your name, lost in the drip drops of slowly rain. Every shadow I chase, they're painting your face. They are just ghosts of a memory, slowly fading away. If I could turn back time somehow, I'd hold you closer than I know how. But now it's just me and these empty lanes, and a heart still calls